Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I am doing another mukbang because I thought why not? I'm on my lunch break and so let's eat and talk. I'm having a FIL A. I got fries. Chick-fil-A fries are probably like some of my favorite ones. And then I got some chicken strips. And I never get this, but I bought a cookie because if I bought a cookie, it was going to give like 20% of my purchase, I think. Or something like that. A donation to a charity of my choice. And so I chose the Humane Society. So that's what I got. And of course, a Coke. I don't like Chick-fil-A sauce. What? I do like their buffalo sauce, so that's what I get. I don't know why. I don't know what it is, but I just don't like the Chick-fil-A sauce. This is probably gonna be like my thing of eating in my car. So sad. I've heard so many videos in the past where it's like, or studies in the past where they're like, don't eat in your car. Give your meals, or give yourself the value to eat your meals in a worthy place. For me, I guess my car is my worthy place. I don't know. I have a busy life. Like, I ain't got time for that. My car is the place where I come and sit and eat. I edit. I sing and I rap, you know, in my car. I post my pictures in my car. I will go Instagram. I will upload on my Insta stories or Snapchat in my car. I will do everything in my car. My car. If you're watching this, it's been a good week or a couple of days now since my Miami vlog went up. So, Miami. It was the most amazing thing ever. I love it so much. And there's so many parts of my Miami vlog that I didn't get. Like, my Miami trip, I didn't get it on my vlog. There's so many parts of it that I wish I did have someone following me around or filming me or something, because it's just so amazing, you know. In the vlog, it started off Tuesday, Monday night, and we arrived Tuesday morning. I started off there Tuesday. Woo! Honey! I didn't expect to burp that much. Like, I've only, no, okay. Comes with the mukbang, right? It comes with the mukbang. Sorry to everyone that's offended by that. But, anyways, started off Monday and Tuesday. And then, I believe I went to Saturday, which was at the zoo. After the zoo, it came to Sunday, which was at the beach, going up the lighthouse in Keys Peak, whatever it is called. I can never pronounce it. But is that, and then Monday I actually didn't vlog. Monday we went to another beach. We we did go to a beach, but since it was the Mexico game, we actually didn't leave until like 1 p.m. because everyone wanted to watch it. So they watched the game. I slept in. And then we went to a beach. We went to Coco Plum and then to Calle Ocho, and it was so much fun. At the zoo, my dad did have to carry me on his shoulders because I had a tremendous headache. I hadn't eaten all day, and I don't know why we didn't eat. That was the crazy thing. Like, we were at the zoo. We could have stopped to get food, I think. I don't know. But we didn't eat. And I was so hungry. I had a massive headache. My sugar was going down. It was just ridiculous. So my dad, when we were leaving, he carried me on his shoulders because I couldn't walk anymore. And he was sweating. His little legs were shaking already. He's the most amazing dad ever. Just wanted to point that out. And on Tuesday, we went back to Calle Ocho, which I'm telling you, I didn't film anything in Calle Ocho. It's not like the craziest, cutest place to film, you know. But we did go shop and walk around the stores. And it was hot. I feel like the fact that it was hot was a crazy thing. Because I was just like, oh, it's hot, bro. It's hot. It's a hot. And then we went to eat. And then we went to the airport and flew back down to Utah. It was so crazy. It was amazing. And I think I found out I have allergies in Utah. Because of what? Like, I don't know why, but my eyes and my nose always get like stuffy and runny, and like my eyes get super watery when I'm in Utah, you know. I didn't notice it because I'm like, I don't know what, you know, like it's been normal. So when I went to Miami, I didn't have that at all. We fly back to Utah. The moment that we get out in the airport, out at the airport, off the plane, I suddenly get it, and I'm like, what is going on? Like, I couldn't deal with it. I was like, why is this happening to me right now? Why? Yeah. Found out I probably have allergies out here in Utah. I don't know what it is. I don't know what. Maybe we're just so elevated. We're so dry. It's crazy. It's a crazy place to be living in. Okay. The other 3 days, we went to King Jesus Supernatural Ministry School. It was the most amazing thing I could have ever experienced, and I'm telling you guys this out of my pure heart, like full seriousness. It was the most amazing experience I could have ever had. I'm so happy and so blessed I went. I was ministered in so many ways. I had so many things revealed to me, like in a supernatural sense, in a spiritual sense. I'm like living in a new era, in a new environment, in a new mentality. I am so happy. Yo, I think I just can't eat. Like, today's Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. So we had our music practices, like I mentioned in my last MUKBANG, whatever it is. So yesterday's practices were some of the most amazing, realist, spiritual filling, or Holy Spirit filling practices that we have had ever. I feel like it. Like, it's just so amazing. A lot of the musicians ended up going to this school with me, you know. So a lot of the people that you saw on the vlog, or that you would see in the pictures, were part of that school that came with us. And a lot of them are actually some of the musicians, or the people that minister. And I feel like the fact that we were all just so filled and so empowered and now mobilized, because that was the point. You come to be healed, you come to be empowered, but we're also mobilizing you. That fact just made it beyond amazing. Like, oh, hard. You might not be spiritual, you know, if you follow me. You might not be spiritual. That's okay. I'm not gonna force it down your throat, but I will talk about it, you know. And I'm being real and honest to you guys right now. It was the most amazing experience ever. I'm so excited for what is to come. For everything else that we're planning. Our anniversary for our church is in August. I know that there's going to be a breakthrough. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I'll leave, if you live in Utah, I'll leave the address of our church and our campus down in the description box below. If you want to go ahead and check us out, if you want to stop by one of these days, go through, come through anytime. You're welcome. Don't feel that you sin too much or whatever. Like, trust me, I've done a ton of crap. But God is so merciful. God is so forgiving and so loving. Dude, like, come on. You know, his arms are wide open for you. Come to him whenever you want. But don't let it be too late, you know. There's my little spiritual rant. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm finished. Anyways, that is it. I'm gonna cut it off here. You guys have an amazing day, night, whatever it is. It's obviously very much of a daytime right now for me. I'm still at work. It's Friday. I'm ready to finish working and get out of here for the weekend because it was tough. 400 something emails. Over 450 unread emails. Like, yo, I've done a pretty good job these last 2 days. I swear. I've done an amazing job. That'll be the last burp for today's vlog. MUKBANG. However it is that you want to call it. Yeah. I will see you all on my next video. And if you're not tired of seeing me or hearing my voice, click on the next videos that are going to pop up from me here. And I will see you all on the next one. Have an amazing weekday and weekend. Love you guys.